is currently a global frog population decline, which has many implications for the sustainability of the natural environment. Alarmingly, approximately 1/4 of Australia's 216 known species are now considered as a conservation concern. The green and golden bellfrog, which was one of the most commonly found frogs along Australia's east coast, is of particular concern. Habitat destruction has caused serious issues for the species, whereby wetlands have been destroyed, which means the frogs do not have anywhere to breed. Green and golden bellfrogs depend highly upon breeding sites for long-term survival, which have been destroyed in order to build high-rise buildings and homes. This disease is typically found in water and soil and attacks the keratin in the frog's skin, causing the frog to be unable to breathe. As a result of the disease not killing the frog immediately, the frog can hop and swim to other ponds and streams while spreading fungal spores to other frogs. It is extremely important for people to care about the green and golden bellfrog decline, as they are environmental health indicators by providing early warning signs of air and water contamination. This is due to the sensitivity of the frog species, which react first if anything is going wrong in the natural area. From an ecological perspective, green and golden bellfrogs are also extremely useful as their primary use is for insect control. They also play an important role in ecosystem food webs. The species is now considered to be absent from approximately 90% of its previous distribution. In the southwestern Sydney region, the species has disappeared entirely from Nepean river sites, with populations around Liverpool encountering a large decline. There are only isolated populations surviving, and the frogs that are doing the best are the ones that are under intense management, which is not a desirable situation. Due to the serious nature of this issue, it is imperative that people do all that they can to help save the green and golden bellfrog from further harm. Action has been prevented in the past by the lack of knowledge that people have about this frog species and their importance in the environment. Awareness of this issue is a main priority in order to stop the decline. The New South Wales Frog and Tadpole Study Group, also known as FATS, has been running for 20 years and is available for anyone to join in order to raise awareness through various community biodiversity programs. More simply, people can assist by making their backyards frog-friendly. As frogs are nocturnal, they move around so much at night through people's backyards in search of food, even in urban areas, which is quite dangerous. A frog-friendly backyard can be achieved by putting in a pond, some submerged plants, vegetation, and rocks that enable frogs to bask and shelter. There is hope for the green and golden bellfrog's future, but there is still a lot of work that needs to be done. The plans that have been put into place have been very successful, with the decline reducing dramatically. However, Dr. Arthur White predicts that we will be able to keep the species, but nowhere near as big as numbers that it used to be. Therefore, it is up to everyone to join the fight to save the green and golden bellfrog from extinction.